Hey everybody. My wife and I recently visited the southern end of the Appalachian Mountains in North Georgia, and near the town of Ellijay we stopped into the Panorama Orchards and Farm Market right off of Georgia Highway 5 and 515. It's one of the bigger orchard stores, and I think probably one of the more popular ones. It's easy to get to off of this main road. So we recorded our experience in there, and we hope you enjoy.
State of mind at the crossroads market that the world left behind. The board was hand painted on a crate of Georgia fruit, with a history that traveled from the branch down to the root. Your move, Silas, and a laugh like mountain stone, a brotherhood of spirit that a man could call his own. Nobody was rushing, nobody was late. The news was just the weather and the hinges on the gate. We found the whole wide world in a 20-minute chat, while we sat there in the silence, just chewing on the fat. Now the pocket knives are folded and the checkers put away, and the porch is just an echo in the hustle of the day. But sometimes in the orchard, when the wind begins to shift, I can feel that old connection like a slow-moving gift. Oh, we were chewing on the fat and we were trading in the truth, measuring the seasons by the sweetness of our youth. With a checkerboard between us and a neighbor by our side, we didn't have a secret that the valley couldn't hide. It was a simple kind of kingdom, it was a happier state of mind at the crossroads market that the world left behind. Just a cedar shaving falling, just a king me and a smile. I'd trade the whole wide highway just to sit there for a while, south of Ellijay, where the simple things stay. There's a stretch of red dirt where the two lanes meet, where the dust used to settle on the quiet and the sweet. It wasn't just a roof or a porch of gray wood, it was the heartbeat of the valley, understood. Mr. Henderson's truck was always parked in the shade, while the women talked rain and the deals that were made. Just a wooden screen door with a spring in a side, watching the world and the seasons go by. Oh, the crossroads were more than a turn in the road. They were a place to sit down, a heavy load, where a nod was a promise and a name was enough, a soft bit of grace when the living got rough. Now the orchards and markets carry the flame of a time when we called every neighbor by name. You'd find the news of the county in the cool of the store, written in the scuffs on the white plank floor. A jar of local honey, a hand-lettered sign, and a slow, steady rhythm that suited the pine. My grandmother's basket was never quite full without a story to give it a little more pull. It was the glue in the cracks, it was the light in the dark, a community found in a small, simple spark. It's the smell of the crates and the morning's first light, keeping the ghost of the valley inside. You can still feel the echo when you step through the door of the people who walked here a lifetime before. Crossroads were more than a turn in the road. They were a place to sit down, a heavy load, where a nod was a promise and a name was enough, a soft bit of grace when the living got rough. Now the orchards and markets carry the flame of a time when we called every neighbor by name. Just a simple life south of Ellijay, where the crossroads meet and the memories stay.